699 pesos, may enjoy mo na ang up to 60 options ng sushi sa conveyor belt. Meron pang unlimited shabu-shabu. Unlimited din ang dessert, ang fried chicken. Meron din silang 4 kinds of tempura, 6 kinds of salad bar, side dish. They also offer okonomiyaki, kani salad, pancit canton, marinara, french fries. Unlimited na din ang drinks. Dito lang yan sa Sushi Marami Buffet and Unlimited located sa Makati. Open sila 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Then meron na ding parking sa may Eton Tower. 699 per person. 5 years old and below is free. 6 to 11 years old is half payment. Syempre, kunin mo lang yung kaya mong kainin. Leftover charge is 200 per head. Tapos 1 hour and 20 minutes naman ang time limit. Imported din yung mga ginamit nila na fish and seafood like leopard coral grouper from Korea, red snapper, yellowfin, and big eye tuna from Japan, blue marlin from Australia, saltwater eel and freshwater eel, and Norwegian salmon. Talagang premium na premium and fresh. Lahat ng nakain namin na enjoy talaga. Spacious din, marami kang pwedeng upuan, tapos very friendly ang staff. And ang masasabi ko lang, super sulit. Kaya kung nagkikrave ka sa sushi, punta ka na rin dito.